See Rajiv Sardeshai's Kerala quite different from anyone else's field. Propaganda is a form of persuasion through mass media to push various agenda of the sponsor. This includes personal, political or business agenda. The media is often the tool to manipulate matters to evoke an emotional response from the people. Mass media and propaganda are inseparable. Many media houses these days push pro and positive stories with the aid of controlled transmission of single-sided information. Of late, even governments have also been using the media for propagating its agenda. It's the Public Relations Department which takes care of this for the political push for the governments. But of late, governments also resort to influence the media houses to further their motives. Not just PR exercises, but a good amount of money is also pumped in to plan stories, views and analysis on administration. The Pinarayi-led Kerala government has been resorting to this since 2016. And it was such a propaganda story which was aired by India Today TV earlier this month. Veteran journalist known for planting fake news, Rajiv Sardeshai was praising Pinarayi government for accolades in COVID war. He starts his story saying as always some good news has come from Kerala. He says the vaccination process is highly successful in Kerala where vaccine wastage is the lowest. He hailed Kerala and Pinarayi for an exceptional performance, far away from facts. Facts or figures do not matter. The India Today TV Kerala reporter is packing false information upon the platform of lies already set by the senior anchor. The reporter's finding is that except Kerala, the country has miserably failed in vaccination drive. Vaccination shortages have derailed many states from the historic vaccination drive, but no such problem in Kerala. According to the channel, there arises no complaint about the vaccination drive in Kerala. Problems like delay in getting vaccinated, long queues at vaccination centers, frequent sudden cancellation of vaccination, etc., that has become a headache for Keralites are not even being mentioned in the report. The TV channel says Pinarayi Vijayan's Kerala is standing out for its super efficiency of vaccines. The state has not only ensured zero wastage but has administered more vaccines than what has been provided. While the state got a little over 73 lakh vaccines, over 74 lakhs were inoculated and some 3 lakh jabs are in stock. The storyteller says each vaccine vial is meant to vaccinate 10 while it contains an extra dose considering wastage on pulling it out from the container. But Kerala health staff managed to ensure zero wastage and vaccinated 11 with one vial of vaccine. They squeezed out every drop in the vials and facilitated more vaccination than targeted. Rajiv also interviews Kerala COVID Prevention Coordinator Dr. Ashil Mohammed, who claims to have predicted the second wave and was prepared to face it well before it set in. But these are claims which are the icing on the propaganda cake baked by the veteran journalist. But what is the actuality in Kerala? It was just after this story broadcasted, the state went into a 2-week lockdown which got extended for one more week. The state witnessed the highest number of positive cases in India, which crossed 40,000 in a few days. The number of deaths were also on an alarming note. Rajiv Sardeshai ends his PR story by saying what Kerala thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. But the media facilitating the propaganda agenda of Pinarayi would continue to plant stories. Unquestioned authority makes it possible for him to push many more. We need to wait and see what all are in the pipeline. More media houses would also parade behind Pinarayi to ensure a share in the media buying budget of Kerala.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.